Who's looking forward to Thanksgiving?
Me! We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like the drive.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Very next day, this year, sending no tears. I'm drying off my chicken. Alright guys, so I got 2 teeny chickens apparently. My chickens are really, really small. And we're gonna roast them up like we did last year. So I'm trying to really dry them off so that they get a nice crispy skin when they're roasting. Gotta get the inside. Don't mind me, I'm just stuffing my fist in a chicken.
That chicken ain't do nothing.
We're gonna go inside. And then we're gonna rain down the salt. Alright guys, after wrestling with these chickens, I finally got them trussed. Every time I roast chicken, I like to truss them, but I always forget how. But they're done and they're ready to go into this 450-degree oven to get nice and golden brown. Guess what's about to happen?
Okay, so what I would like for you to do, we're gonna make the sugary mix that you put on top of the crust.
Nura, are you happy to help Titi?
I love helping.
Make it good, or it's your fault? We are in Dallas visiting the rest of my family. We're at my mom's house. I just put chickens in the oven. And now I gotta get the girls washed, put their clothes on, and get ready to go to my sister's house where she's gonna host her very first Thanksgiving. Hey, Chrissy. We are finally dressed and heading over to my sister's house. It's raining. Come on, hurry up.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
You look so cute with your haircut. Hi.
Ooh, okay. Ooh, look at that double egg. is still steaming. Sweet potato pie. We have some cookies and the what is it? Peach cobbler that me and Titi made.
Look at that cheese pool. My sister made that mac and cheese.
A few moments later.
This is us at the end of the night. I got this little pimple on the side of my face. Ugh, it's so ugly. My first visit to this store, my goodness. I can't believe I've never been to At Home before. Look at that tree. I can totally see maybe this tree. Hey, this would be perfect for you, sis.
I don't know why I got you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better. Cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go.
All right, guys, we had a great Thanksgiving.
We had a great staying at Nana's house.
And now it's time to
Go home and decorate the house.
go home. We got to finish putting up our Christmas decorations, including the tree.
Yeah.
And then school tomorrow, last few weeks of school. Yay! All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us this Thanksgiving. I hope you and your family had a great holiday. We'll see you guys back in Houston when we're back home and decorating the house for Christmas and putting up our Christmas tree. All right, bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.